Welcome. I have been asked to make a video describing the difference between single logic and double logic established in the human genome. To explain this, I have chosen to use abstract logic in geometric form to explain the difference between single and double logic. The triangle represents the logic. The three colors red, yellow and blue represent the source. A copy of the image is taken and displayed in its opposite form. The opposite image is then superimposed on the image. Now the image, looking like a six-pointed star, is copied and transferred into its opposite image. When we compare the image to its opposite image, both images appear to be the same, in that the colors have remained in each of their own sectors. This is single logic. If we go back to the beginning, and instead of using only the first image to form the star, from adding its opposite, we add a triangle representing another source, we end up with a star having 6 colors instead of 3. If we then go through the same procedure again, to produce the opposite image, then compare the opposite with the image, we find 2 different colors in each sector of the star. This is double logic. Now regarding the human genome, as our genome is made of 2 groups, one set from our mother, and the other from our father. These are in a pre-fertilized structural form, unlike the genes that make up your human body. Humans normally have 46 genes. When fertilization occurs, these 2 sets of incomplete genes fuse to produce complete working genes. These are like sets of program loops, and are a bit like a holographic storage system, in that the same genes are throughout the human anatomy. I know it is natural on Earth, but there is a downside to all this, in that the human genome pool was corrupted about 6,000 years ago, through unnatural breeding practices. So today the genes from our mother are not quite 100% compatible with our father's genes. The female genes contain a remnant from an outside species, which came about through crossbreeding. So, the following occurs. I will identify the logic source of the human mother as an inverted triangle, with the 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue, 1 color in each sector. And the logic source of the human father as a triangle, with the 3 colors, green, violet, and brown, 1 color in each sector. When these are combined, they form the 6-pointed star. And as shown previously, adding the opposite of this image, and comparing the 2 images, we find the phenomena of double logic. As a result of this being in the human genome, all thinking and conclusions established through the human species is based on double logic or confusion. The only way around this is to use the processing system of life, which is based on single logic.